How to remove Beetles Gel Polish without damaging your nails. Struggling to remove Beetles Gel Polish without harming your nails? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many beginners make the mistake of peeling or scraping, causing unnecessary damage. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily and gently remove gel polish while keeping your natural nails healthy. Preparation is key. Gather these essentials: acetone, cotton balls, aluminum foil, nail buffer, cuticle oil, and an orange wood stick. Having these tools handy ensures a smooth removal process. Once you've got them ready, you're all set to start removing your gel polish safely. First, buff the top layer of the polish to break the seal. This allows the acetone to penetrate effectively. Then, soak a cotton ball in acetone, place it on your nail, and wrap it with foil securely. Repeat for all nails and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, gently press on the foil and slide it off. Use the orange wood stick to lift any loosened polish. No need to force it. For remaining residue, buff lightly. Be patient. Rushing can lead to damage. Finish by washing your hands to remove acetone residue. Once your nails are clean, pamper them. Massage cuticle oil to restore moisture and soothe your nail beds. This step is crucial after acetone use, as it helps prevent dryness and strengthens your nails. Healthy nails are the foundation for your next manicure, so don't skip this part. Now that you know the safest way to remove Beetles Gel Polish, why not give your nails the care they need? Follow these steps and share your results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let's keep your nails looking flawless. See you in the next video.